So, hello everyone, and since tomorrow is my husband's birthday, so instead of ordering a cake, why not bake my own cakes? So my vlog for today is baking a sponge chocolate cake, and these are all my ingredients. Very simple and very delicious. So what we need is only 4 eggs, sugar, sifted flour, baking powder, sifted cocoa powder, milk, oil, and vanilla essence. And of course, a pinch of salt. So what we're going to do first is we have to combine the cocoa powder, milk, oil, and vanilla essence. And the oil. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So just like this. And then we have to set aside. And next is we have to combine the eggs and sugar. And then add the sugar. And then next we have to add the baking powder and a pinch of salt. Okay, and mix. So we have to warming up our egg and sugar and checked. So since it is warm, so we have to beat in a very high speed. And ato i-change siya into a low speed to make it fluffy and shiny. So just take a look of this. See. And this is it. So let's remove. And next we have to add the dry ingredients. Add natin gradually. And then fold. Just like this. And then add the remaining. And then preheat the oven into 180 degrees. Just like this. Fold, fold, fold. Make it sure na you have to touch the bottom. Next, we have to add the cocoa butter. And fold. This. And then fold it again. And then do it. So this is it. And then next we have to put it in the baking pan. Okay. And then to remove the bubbles, just like this. Tap. And then put in the oven. Cake for about 38 minutes. We have to wait after 38 minutes. 5 minutes more and take a look of my cake. So, after 38 minutes, and then naluto na talaga siya. So, let's check. And here it is. So, we have to let it cool. So let's check if it is already cooked. Insert, and then it's very clean. So next, what we're going to do is let it cool. So palamigin natin. Just like this. Okay. Gumawa na ako ng isang cake. And then we have to wait until maglamig siya. And then gagawa tayo ng chocolate whipping cream. Para naman maganda siya tingnan pag i-blow ng asawa ko. Since lumamig na yung cake na ginawa ko, so as you can see, and then okay. So ito na yung cake na ginawa ko, 2 layers. And then gagawa tayo ng chocolate whipping cream. So 2 cups of whipping cream, and then lagyan natin ng 1 cup of melted chocolate cake. Okay. And then ibibit natin. And then lalagyan natin ng chocolate. So, tingnan nyo. Since nawala yung lacquer ko, so ganito na lang. Para medyo maganda din tingnan. That's it. And then bukas lalagyan natin ng ibang decoration, yung happy birthday. At last, nagawa ko na rin yung cake for my husband's birthday. Very easy and very delicious sponge chocolate cake. So why not try? So the ingredients are very easy and very simple to make. Just follow the procedures. So atong decoration na ng ako ang cake na ako ang gi-bake.
오, 잘 쓴다.
Of course.
오, 잘 써. 오, 맛있겠다. 할래?
Okay. Happy 60th.
조금만 더 크게.
Okay, this is happy birthday, happy 60th birthday, and then butangan na to hatu.
내가 알래.
Uh-oh.
wait.
Okay, very good.
펠리콘 맞아?
Yeah.
잠깐만.
Na busy.
나쁘지 않아.
Okay. So this is happy birthday.
됐다.
So tatawagin natin yung birthday celebrant. So
피자 시켰다. 2단 케이크가?
ayan. So inani ka, fluffy ang cake na chocolate sponge cake.
맛있나요?
어떻게 생각했어요?
우리 와이프 만든 케이크 최고, 세상에서 최고 맛있네. 아,
됐다.
음.